Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Finance Team, and today we are diving into an exciting topic that's on my mind: how to earn money in today's world. Whether you're looking for side hustles, remote work opportunities, or just some fresh ideas to boost your income, this video has got you covered. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about traditional jobs that are evolving with the times. Many people think of traditional jobs as 9-to-5 office gigs, but there are tons of opportunities that have adapted to modern needs. For example, remote work has become super popular,
with companies hiring for roles like customer service, marketing, and even project management right from your home. And if freelancing is more your style, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills on a freelance basis, whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or programmer. Next, let's dive into the gig economy. Ride-sharing, driving, delivery services, and task-based jobs are all popular gig opportunities you might want to consider. The beauty of the gig economy is that you can choose when and how much you want to work. Now let's explore some online income streams that have gained traction. The internet has opened up so many ways to earn money from anywhere in the world, such as affiliate marketing, creating online courses, and ebooks and content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. And lastly, investing for the future is always a good idea. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or cryptocurrency, there are investment opportunities for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
See you in the next video.